Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's recipe, we are making Nigerian jollof rice. Hope you enjoy watching it. These are the peppers and tomatoes I'll be using. I have the onions and some garlic cloves and ginger. I'll wash and blend and also cook it to dry before using it for stew. And I will also be adding what we call these tin tomatoes, that is tomato paste. I'll be adding some of that. I have blended and boiled the tomatoes, peppers and onions to dry, and I've also parboiled my rice, the rice I'll be using. So now the next thing is to make the stew. So in a heated oil, I've added some onions. Allow it to fry a bit. I'll then add the tomato paste. I will stir and fry the tomato paste for about a minute or two before adding the tomato and the pepper mix, which I dried earlier. I just added the tomato and pepper mix. I will fry and mix everything together and then add the spices. I'm taking out some stew because I don't want to use all. But if at the end of cooking the rice and I still need to add more stew, I'll add some. I just added a little more stock. I'll allow it to boil, then we'll now add our parboiled rice. The sauce has boiled enough, so it is now time to add the rice. After adding the rice, I'll stir it and then add enough water to cover the rice. We'll now cover and cook on high heat, and once it starts boiling, I'll stir again and then reduce the heat to low and allow it to cook gradually with that heat. I tested for salt, it's okay, so I'll cover and allow it to cook. It's been boiling for some time now on high heat. At this point, I'll stir it and then reduce the heat, cover and allow it to cook gradually. Our rice is well cooked now. I checked it about 2 times before now, so don't leave yours to get burnt. I'm okay with the color, so I'm not going to add it any more stew. But what I'll add now is some chopped onions and more crayfish powder or shrimp powder. And then I'll stir it and cover. The heat is off, so I'll just allow it to steam for some minutes, and then our rice will be ready to enjoy. And here we have our delicious jollof rice. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. And if you are new here, thank you so much for coming. God bless you all. Bye-bye.